Welcome back. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn more about Typescale and how we can generate different type of font patterns using the Typescale. Now, what we mean Typescale? Typescale is a harmonious set of font sizes that can create a visual rhythm and hierarchy across a design. So this is based on specific ratio, often following patterns like the golden ratio or the modular scale, which ensures consistent spacing and proportion between headings, subheadings, and the body text, as the content text. So let's explore more. Let's go to typescale.com and look at it. So this is the interface of typescale.com. Once you log into the website, you'll be able to see something like this. Now, in looking at the box area here, where you have from your H1 to your H6, and each and every one of the text here has different line heights. So by default, here, come to the body size, we have about 16 pixels, and the scale is within this. Now we talk about the golden ratio and all that. So if you click on this, you should be able to see what the explanation is all about. So we have from the -second down to golden ratio. In each and every one of them has different scale from 1.067 down to 1.618. So this is very important to note when it comes to font selection and all that. So coming down here, you can also see it has a font style and body weight, line height, and all that. Now you can also see how the preview will look like when you click on the mobile view. Coming to the right panel here, you see this is how it will look like based on this particular font size. And if you click on desktop, this is how it will look in preview. So you can take your time to study more about Typescale on this website and play around with it. So now let's go back to our Figma and see how we can generate different font sizes using the Typescale. So I'm going to remove this picture. Then we proceed. So first, you're going to select your text and type in any text of your choice. So let me say I type hello. Let's just increase the size so that we'll be seeing it. So I type my hello text here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to the plugins and install the plugin called Typescale. So if the plugin is not installed for the first time, just go to plugins, manage plugins, then you search for Typescale and type it. Then you now install it following the same procedures we used to install plugins. Now you can see once I select my text and now run the Typescale plugin, it has generated the hello text ranging from 24 pixel. Ranging from 92 pixel down to 15 pixel. So now, before you generate your text, you can come here and play around with the line height, that is the scale, the line height, and all this. If these numbers are okay, then you leave it the way it is. Make sure you read more on the Typescale website to understand better. So if all these skills and base size, line height are all okay for you, you just click on generate and wait for the result. This will automatically create a frame like this of different font sizes for you. Now what we are going to do, by default, you can see here we don't have the font sizes we want to use for our design, right? So you can modify each and every one of these font sizes based on the device size. So if you are working on mobile side, go back to the font guide I sent to the group and look at the sizes of mobile font sizes. Then you can use it here to generate your font. Now let's start from the list, which is hello, which is around 15. So I think in our font sizes we need 14, right? So you can come here and update it to 14. Make sure you select the text that is here. Update 14. Then come here from the style and select what you want. If you want 14 regular, click on regular. Then click on the Greek box and save it as well. So come here and name this. This is enter. You can name it as enter /14 pixel /regular. then you save it. You create your style to save this text. Now you go to the second one, which is 19 pixels, right? So you can also update it from a drop down. Let's say the next font you are looking at is 16 pixel. Change it to 16. I change it to semi-bold. Then you go to the grid box, click the plus sign, and also update this. This is enter slash 16 pixel slash semi-bold. So you do the same thing and create the style. Again, you select it the way it is and go and detach it from here. Then you create another style. Before you create another style, let's say you want the bold of the 16 pixel, you can come here and also select the hello style. Make sure the hello style is selected. Then here you update it to bold. Then you can also create style based on that. And 16 pixel, enter 16 pixel, then bold, and also create style. So you follow these procedures all to save the style, each and every one of them you want. So if eventually you reach the style and you like the 92 pixel or whatever that is there, you don't need to modify it. But if you don't like the font size that is there, you can modify it from here. Then you now create your style. Similarly, you can also do the same procedure just like what you did. Come here and type your hello style, hello. Select the hello text and go out, update the fonts. Maybe by default is at 12, leave it at 12. Then run your plugins. With your plugins, Typescale, then it will automatically replace it with your text and click on generate. So in this way, you can see the two frames here are different, right? So this one gives us from 8 pixel, 10 pixel, 15, and so on and so forth, while this other one gives us from 15 and other. So depending on the font you chose on your hello text before you generate text, that is going to be, determine the range of text sizes that is going to generate from the result. So you can modify it following the procedures I have shown you earlier. Then you can also create style to save your font. Now you can use this method to save all the font sizes you want to use in your design system. Then anytime you want to use that particular font size, you just call it from your design system and use it. You don't need to start creating it over and over again. So this is how you can create font sizes based on different font sizes using the Typescale. See you in the next lecture.